Hi children, today we will discuss about World War I. World War I started on 20th July in 1914, ended on 11th November in 1918. The Central Powers. The Central Powers are Austria, Hungary, Germany, Italy, Ottoman Empire, Bulgaria. The Allied powers Serbia, Russia, France, Great Britain, United States of America. The World War I was fought for 4 years, 3 months and 15 days. Allied powers became victorious in the war. The Allied powers are Serbia, Russia, France, Great Britain, United States of America. Now, the results of World War I. Countries which were participated on behalf of Austria were known as Central Powers, whereas the other group was called as Allied Powers. Central Powers got upper hand over the Allied Powers in the beginning of the war. Due to internal revolution, Russia, the Allied power, withdrawn from the war by making treaty with Germany in 1917. On the other hand, US also jumped into the war on behalf of Allied countries. When German troops sunk Lusitania in 1917, the Allied powers became victorious in the war. The Treaty of Versailles, exactly 5 years. The Treaty of Versailles, exactly 5 years after the assassination of Archduke Franz Ferdinand, the event that tipped Europe into World War. The Treaty of Versailles was signed in Paris on June 28 in the year of 1919. The Treaty of Versailles established a blueprint for the post-war world. One of the most controversial terms of the treaty was the war guilt clause, which directly blamed Germany for the outbreak of war. The treaty forced Germany to disarm, to make territorial concessions, and to pay reparations to the Allied powers on huge amount of $5 billion. Although US President Woodrow Wilson was opposed to such harsh terms, France was the only Allied power to share a border with Germany and therefore suffered the bulk of the devastation and casualties from the German war machine. The French aimed to weaken Germany to the greatest extent possible. When Adolf Hitler came to power in Germany in 1934, his government began to violate many of the terms of the Treaty of Versailles. A large number of new countries were formed like Austria, Hungary, Yugoslavia, Latvia, Finland, and etc. The Treaty of Versailles imposed heavy penalty on Germany both in monetary terms. Germany had to pay war indemnity or compensation to the victorious allies. And in territorial terms, it lost a lot of its territory to France and other countries. League of Nations. The League of Nations was established at the end of World War as an international peacekeeping organization. It was established on 10th January in the year of 1920. The League of Nations effectively resolved some international conflicts, but failed to prevent the outbreak of the Second World War. The United States didn't join the League of Nations. Some historians believe that the numerous terms of the treaty laid the psychological and economic groundwork for the rise of the Nazi Party, which capitalized on German resentment of the burdens imposed by the Allied powers after the First World War. The League of Nations was the first ever international organization which was formed as a consequence of the Treaty of Versailles. So it was established on 11th of January in the year of 1920. It was formed to prevent wars by trying to settle disputes through negotiations, ensure disarm, disarm,
Disarmament.
disarmament or reduce manufacturing of arms, etc. It also sought to work for development, labor welfare, and health. It had about 58 members. It had limited success initially but failed to prevent the Second World War. The Germany was excluded from League of Nations. League of Nations. A timeline of the actions leading up to the World War I. June 28, 1914, assassination of Archduke Franz Ferdinand. July 28, 1914, Austria-Hungary declares war on Serbia. May 7, 1915, Germany sinks American commercial ship Lusitania and US joins the war. November 11, 1918, end of World War I. January 10, 1920, League of Nations formed and Treaty of Versailles come into effect. So children, I hope you understood World War I nicely. So if you